This is Justin AMZN on Thursday, January 23rd, 2020. Taking a look at the 5 minutes. Today we had some triangles that popped in here, kind of some lower highs like this and kind of higher lows like that, or like that, or like that. And it just was kind of a consolidation day. Yes, it was, a pullback further from where we were yesterday, having a bearish candle. I thought there was a chance that we would stay kind of in this range, and we didn't really. If you extend this out, we actually kind of retested back up into kind of an apex area up here if you did extend that out. And then we really did roll over right into the close. There was some really nice hammers in here. Let me see if I can point out some of them. That one, that one, that one. Kind of that one, the body's a little too big, and then these two were amazing. So here, let's zoom in on today and see these two candles. I mean, it was 25 minutes of sideways, very small range. Really, all total was about $3 in this range, but each of these candles was two or so. These two were really, really small, 5-minute candles. It looked like it was going to break down here. This smaller triangle I just drew, that one broke out, it retested, it really did come right back into that apex, but was really finding a nice level of support in here. The other way you could draw this is having just kind of a flat bottom through here, that it really just held that range, really most of that range, and it just depends on, again, how you, if I can draw straight, how you draw this, really going sideways. But then with these two candles, I mean, that's your entry. Get in here, stop right here, maybe take a little bit off at our next line. But because we straddled this all day until that point, it really made sense that we could just go once we get through there. And that's what happened. It just bounced and then pulled back a little bit and just continued to rally, making new high on the day, and really came into the same range that it pushed up to in here just about into yesterday's last half hour. It pushed basically back up into that same price and then had this little rollover here. So looking at calls, this is the switch. Here we go. 1875 call. You can see the hammers here. You had a really nice entry, about 10 by 9. It's possible it would have filled here, maybe, hopefully it would have filled here, but you would have needed to set it up basically on this candle and then really do it as more of like a stop limit at 10. That may have filled right as this candle finished. And obviously if you're setting it up when it's down here, setting up when it's down here, a stop limit of 10 should have waited till the close of the candle or the next candle to trigger and go to get into it. But then from there, it was just a rally back up to the high of the day, which is what I was looking for yesterday. So that would have been a nice move from 10 by 9 all the way up to 15, would have been a nice target here. Even pushed up to 1650, even to 16, this high would have been nice. And then it just really pulled back sharply on this option. And on the puts, again, I'm looking at the 1880 puts, came all the way down just about $3 and then went sideways through here, just a really small stair step here. And then this started to move and break out. And so I had gotten in a little bit early over here. I really liked this hammer and I thought, okay, it should hold that. And it did. It just took longer to do a breakout. And I think I got stopped out somewhere over here. Or no, I think I got stopped out over here. It pulled back a little bit more because I didn't think it was going to pull back through here. So I got stopped out, lost an R over here, and then made a good portion of that back on this drop, getting in for 350 here and getting out about 425. So that was a nice little move. Just seeing the stair step, seeing that I could have a really limited risk, and just made a little bit of that back, which was nice. So just watching this pull back, it's like that looks like it's about to go. And it did it yesterday too, where it pulled back right into the close like that from kind of went bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. It just did it again today. Bearish, bullish, right into the close. So I didn't mind doing that on a Thursday. I was in at 2:55, so Central Time 2:54, and out at 2:58. And so I was staring at it, watching it. It's like, okay, I'm getting out. I can't wait for it to, I had a order to get out at 4:50, and it would have filled it. It didn't fill on this candle. I'm like, it may not fill. It's a nice round number. Let me lower that. And I got out 425. That filled like instantly. So a quick 4-minute trade and in and out, and got almost an R. So that, you can multiply that out. It's like, oh, how much can I do that? Just trading for 4 minutes and make what I need to make, or make something back today as it was. So what's amazing about today is we've got another bearish candle. So there were 8 in a row here, 1 bullish, now 2 more bearish. So we've got 1 of the last 11 candles has been bearish. And I still think this is getting ready to really just rally and run. We've pulled back again into the 1888 price, the high of these, and now kind of into this. We pushed past that a little bit into today's high. All we really need is a little bit of a momentum swing bullish here and a nice high wave candle. I mean, it could go tomorrow or a couple back some more. We could actually touch the 21, which we didn't do here or here or here. We could touch the 21, which is now right at 1863.84. And yeah, we just have to kind of wait and see. It'd be amazing if we had a couple more bearish candles. And then, I don't know, but we'll see what happens. It's been going sideways up here. It went sideways down here for a while. Maybe we're just in a new range of going sideways, and that's kind of trapping people. So look for those shorter trades. Look for quick entries, quick exits when it's moving in your direction. But do be ready to hold on to those movers, because this setup was a really nice one and I missed it. I was in too early, and that happens too. So hope this helps. This is Just AMZN. Thanks.